Wonder how movie stars look flawless? Well, our secret is out, and we're now making it available to you. What if you could look 10, 15, even 20 years younger in just minutes? Now you can. Introducing Glam Air, the airbrush and makeup made for the everyday woman. Look younger with flawless, perfectly gorgeous skin in just minutes a day at home. Cover blemishes, acne, scars, redness, moles, and more in seconds. So naturally, you'll be amazed. Every woman who tried Glam Air swore that they would never go back to traditional makeup because only Glam Air makeup is infused with nourishing vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and micronized skin conditioners. No matter what skin problem you have, the result will be flawless. Glowing, even younger looking skin. Guaranteed. It's remarkably easy.
It goes on so smooth, so flawlessly. I mean, you're done in like 1 minute. And then that's it.
Glam Air dries instantly, goes on so evenly, so naturally, that no matter how you apply it, you'll have a perfect glowing complexion all day long. You simply cannot get this look with traditional makeup. We guarantee that once you try Glam Air, you'll never go back to goopy makeup or messy powders ever again.
Makeup, it was always kind of a duty, something I had to do. Now, Glam Air makes it fun.
Call right now and try Glam Air right at home. Risk-free. You'll get the Glam Air Airbrush Wand and Compressor, 4 shades of custom makeup, and 2 gorgeous shimmering blushes. But that's not all. We're also including this bonus DVD Perfect Makeup in 5 minutes or less. But there's even more. For a limited time, we're also including our gorgeous Glam Bag and 2 more free gifts. A 5th bottle of custom makeup, plus our brand new Bronzed Goddess. Absolutely free. Take advantage of our in-home risk-free offer. You won't believe how simple it is and how flawless your skin will look. Here's how to get yours.